Hi everybody, you're gonna love this video. Watch until the end because I have a surprise for you. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the importance to refocus your emotions and your spirit and stop everything that you're doing and listen to the sound of nature. Like I said, watch until the end because I'm gonna have a surprise for you. See you at the end. Bye-bye.
Hi everybody, this is Diane Skates from Restore VR Therapy. Well, today I want to talk about the importance to stop your life, your busy, crazy life, and hear the sound of nature. In my research about virtual reality and reducing stress and pain and also anxiety of a person that is under a treatment. My research was specifically for a cancer treatment. I found out that those that heard the sound of the waves of the ocean or the nature in general, they felt less stress. Well, this is what I have for you. I challenge you and also I encourage you to stop your busy life during the day, anytime, and breathe. Take a breath, and if you can, play a sound of any kind of a sound of nature that you have on your phone. If you can, look outside or go in a park or anywhere that you can see or have contact with nature. And think about something. Think about God. And you're going to find peace.
I'm so happy that you watched this video until this point. From now on, it's my surprise for you. Try to find a place where you can just close your eyes and watch the sound of nature that I captured just for you. Be prepared, close your eyes, and raise up the volume and enjoy. Bye-bye.